Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at our 2006 Ford F-450 bucket truck. This is a double knuckle, 42-foot working height. It's an ETI boom. The truck itself has 133,000 miles, just over 133,000 miles. It is a two-wheel drive model with a steel body on the back. It's got upper and lower controls, both of which work. This is a very smooth operating boom. The truck itself came out of Florida. There's not much rust, if any, on the frame. The frame's in really nice shape. It's a V10 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission. Has some bruises and dents on the body, but nothing too crazy, as you can see here. A little scrape there. Utility box is in good shape. We've got to get this one fixed. It's not open, but you can see these other ones. Clean inside. Your lower controls. This truck is as rust-free as an 06 can get. Came out of Florida, like I said. As you can see, it's all the way up here. Don't notice any issues with the boom or the bucket. Functions 100%. The truck runs and drives good. I drove it today about 30 miles. Other than being a little bouncy due to it being a bigger chassis, it runs and drives really well. Got a trailer hitch and plug on the back there. Testing out the leveling function. This thing's pretty much ready to go to work. Again, this is a Florida truck. This is in great shape. Out of our northern trucks, just don't hold a torch to this one as far as condition and rust and everything. All these tires are in really nice shape. And have deep tread remaining. As you can see, you could just about eat off of that frame. That is a very nice looking underside there. The frame is in really nice condition. And this truck is very much so rust free as they get. This was an old Comcast unit, as you'd expect. It's a one owner. There's some service history, clean Carfax. But these trucks are hard to find like this. There's power windows. You don't see that a whole lot. Power windows and door locks. Usually they're crank windows. It's cloth seats, vinyl floors. Small tear on the driver's seat here, but to be expected. Inside's pretty clean. PTO off. The PTO is mounted on the engine, and it's just operated by that switch there. Pull the emergency brake off. All right, she's showing 133,044 miles at the time of this video. So you can see a radio, heat and air. You've got all your strobe lights and work lights there. The V10 has plenty of power. It sounds good. It's a very quiet engine. It's a pretty clean and presentable old truck. It's ready to go to work. It could be yours. Check it out for sale on eBay. You can shoot us a message, give me a call. Be happy to help you with it. Thanks for watching.